So Arsenal won. The worst Manchester City team under Pep Guardiola in 8 years. Won. Again, Jez, starting 11, shambles. I'll give you a stat, Jezza. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel, Jez's Arsenal. It'll be in the title. I'll give you a stat, Jez. 10 games Mikel Merino and Declan Rice have started together. They've won 1 game. That was against Ipswich Town, who have been relegated. When we won 4-0, when we didn't really care because we were trying to go for the Champions League that we didn't win either. The left-hand side today, Calafiori, Mikel Merino, Trossard. He then brings on Saka and Eze at half-time. He then, when we equalise, and fair play, Martinelli scored, lovely goal. The only mistake their goalkeeper made the whole game, by the way, because they were comfy. The only mistake he made, we equalised. Soon as we equalised, Martinelli's doing 25 celebrations in the North Bank, right in front of Kenny Ken. Yeah. And then what would we do? Oh, we'll take off a defensive midfielder and bring another centre-back on. Don't worry about getting the ball out the net with 4 minutes of stoppage time to go. Put it on the spot and let's go and nick the win. Nah, don't worry about that, mate. The facade keeps going, Jez. Yeah, and Liverpool must be sitting there laughing their bollocks off today because they're looking at them two today going, we got this again, mate, back to back. Make sure you sub to Jez's Arsenal, link in the title. What do you make of that, Jezza?
What do you say about it, mate? It just says one thing to me, Arteta. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Your time is coming very soon. You got away with that today, right? Absolute disgrace. Why would you do a defensive lineup? I called it the other fucking night. I said he'd do it. At home against Man City, he would go defensive. The man is a disgrace. He's an embarrassment to this club. Worst manager I've ever fucking seen. And I'm sorry, I'm so angry. Man City were there for the taking today. And this manager threw it in the bin. And yet you're celebrating like we just won the FA fucking Cup, running down that touchline. You are an embarrassment, disgrace to this once great club. And this club is no longer a great club. Sorry. It's an absolute bloody shambolic display. And your days are numbered, Arteta. And you want to be very, very, very careful. Because people are going to turn on you very quickly. The Ides of March. Remember that one, Arteta? Yeah? You are a bloody embarrassment. What the hell were you doing? You didn't start your new 60-odd million pound midfielder against Man City. What are you thinking here?
Says he didn't start him against Liverpool either. We paid 60 million for Eze, come through the youth academy. He's got the mural under the tunnel on the Ormsey Road. Yeah, before he's even kicked a ball for the first team. Didn't play from the start against Liverpool, brought him off the bench. Didn't play against Man City. That tells you all we need to know about this manager. He didn't fucking want him. That striker today, Jez, what service did he get?
Nothing.
Yeah. Erling Haaland had what? 2 chances maybe? Yeah, 1-2 chances. Soon as he took that, and Jez, what a first touch, yeah? He could have let that run across his body on that breakaway. Why was Gabriel Magalhaes playing number 10?
As soon as I saw that, I think that's
and I said, yo, we're in
midfield was fucking split in half on that one pass.
One pass. Reinders gets the ball. Haaland, boom. Yeah, he was like an Olympic sprinter. Yeah. Gabriel Magalhaes, she's quick. Is Haaland that quick? Or is Gabriel just like, he looked like he was jogging to me, Jez. He was captain today.
He had
Saliba comes across.
He was caught out. And I blame him 100% for that because he wasn't aware. He got turned around.
Yep.
Like bloody turn it head on. He was shit.
We were shit, Jez. We scammed a fucking draw, Jez. Yes. We were crap. His subs were crap.
He got away with it again, Lee.
Eze did nothing, but then people will tell you, Jez, oh, but he got an assist. Okay, well done. He got an assist. Martinelli, he saved his job twice this week, by the way, because he saved him in midweek, against Bilbao, and he saved him again today. This is a player that most of our fans don't want, but he's a they're finishers. They're not subs anymore. They're finishers. Yeah, no, you're finished at this club, mate. Yeah, top gooners in the crowd, Jez, you see it. Yeah, they were millimeters away from having a meltdown today. Yeah, because that is the worst Man City team I've seen under Pep.
Yeah.
Totally. Yeah, even when he first took over, they were better than that, Jez. And you could see what he was doing. I can't see what he's doing with that. Today, they went, yeah, cool. Let's take off Haaland. Let's take off all our forwards.
He's only
they weren't shook of us. It obviously backfired in the end with a draw. They didn't give a fuck because they know we're crap, Jez. Liverpool won today.
But when you play Martinelli as a striker, you can see what he does. Oh, who fucking knew? Who knew? Play him as a striker and he scores goals. Right? Lovely little touch, little flick, nice goal. I can't knock him for
that. The goal was class. The Martinelli goal was class.
I like Martinelli. Right? I've always said it. You know, I've always rated him. Right? When you play him in the right position, who fucking knew, Arteta, yeah, that he can score a goal. Right? Give Grokeris some bloody service, man. He might score a few more goals.
He's done it deliberately, Jezza. He didn't want Gyökeres. He didn't want Eze. And as soon as 29 gets fucking fit, that Gyökeres is on the bench because it'll be, oh, well, we have to drop him because he ain't really done much, which is why I'm so glad he scored 3 goals in 5 games. Yeah, because it's in spite of this manager. How many chances we put on a plate for him, Jez?
How many times have we talked about this now?
Facts.
Right? For 5, 6 fucking years, man. And I'm sorry, I've been.
Jez, it's your fan cam. Say what you want, mate.
I'm so angry tonight. I really am, because I haven't been this pissed off with Arteta in a long time. Right, I keep it to myself, but this guy is an absolute shambolic prick. Right, he's an arsewipe idiot, and he got away with it again today. And that is what's gonna. If that keeps happening, mate. You're going to get the Arteta sexuals. Oh, well, we competed. I've seen it already. We competed. Oh, we dominated. Fuck off, did we? Domination does not mean you're going to win games. And we got away with it. We were lucky.
Just I've seen a tweet saying, can't even imagine the roasting Arteta would be getting if he did what Guardiola did today. Motherfucker's done this for 6 calendar years, Jez. Jez, Luton Town fucking rattled us and Declan Rice had to score a stoppage time goal, 97th minute. Yeah. We've seen this manager get done over by Aston Villa with Dean Smith. 3-0 at the Emirates. Olympiacos, Villarreal. Newcastle, West Ham, Brighton multiple times. Yeah, Nottingham Forest in the cup, Southampton in the cup. Yeah, this guy gets pammed every year. Liverpool kids. Yeah, Chelsea 1-1. That was not this season, the season before. Yeah, Neto scored. Do you remember? Yeah, we've seen this guy. If Arteta had done this, the media would slam him. Why? Because Guardiola is one of the most successful managers ever to have fucking graced football. Yeah, as a manager, whether you rate him or not, in terms of his style of play, is irrelevant. The guy has won a 4-peat at City. He's won, what, 15, 17 trophies, whatever it is at Man City? Yeah, he's done 3 in a row. Yeah, he's done a treble. Well, 4 in a row, treble. He's won League Cup 5 in a row. Then said, well, we're bigger fish to fry. We don't need that crap anymore. Let's go and win a treble. Yeah, lost cup. This guy is a fucking serial winner, whether you rate him or not. And to be fair, I do think he's on his way out. And I do think the game's got to him a little bit now and he's getting stressed. However, you can't knock what he's done in the game. For Bayern Munich, maybe Bayern fans would disagree because he never won them a champs. And he had Leo Messi at Barca. So there'd always be that little stigma of, well, we had Leo Messi. You still have to win. This guy came into Man City and fucking in the most successful club since he's been there. What are we doing, Jez? We're at home and we're playing Mikel Merino, Zubamendi and Declan Rice. We've got Calafiori on the right wing at one point again today. Why? But Eze is getting told, Eze, hug the touchline, my friend. Hug the touchdown. Stand here, guys. Let Calafiori run into the 10. Motherfucker can't defend. Yeah, it looks great on the ball. Do you see the shot Calafiori had? It nearly hit a fucking steward.
Yeah.
Why don't you play Eze in the 10? Dalman never got in the squad today. Why? That guy, technically, for me, he's 15, yeah? Same age as my daughter, Jez.
He played
that boy,
he
played yesterday for the under-21, so you knew he ain't playing today. Because he played for the under-21s. He run the whole game, by the way. Absolutely fucking shift it again. Yeah, but then but it's young kids football. Every time he's come on for the men's team, Jez, in pre-season or this season against Leeds and Sons, he's won a penalty, he's done something. We're watching Noni Madwakey run around like a crackhead, but because he looks busy, that's enough for this fan base. Oh, he's our best player. Yeah, he was our best player in terms of looking like he wants to take a man on and getting past his man. What's he doing after that? Nothing. Playing for corners. He got nutmegged by fucking O'Reilly. Yeah, boy. Kid. Yeah. And it's like, Jez, the whole fucking facade, the whole fugazi. Yeah. But I said to my dad, yeah, and I've said to many times online with you and other people online, yeah, this league is shit. They can't build an attack. So it's not hard to build a defense that can keep an attack out. Yeah, all you got to do is defend corners. And that is what Man City did today. We had about 10, 11 corners today. Donnarumma punched every single one of them away.
Yeah.
The one mistake he made, yeah, he fucked up. Yeah, and it ended in a goal, and it was a great finish from Martinelli. Fair play, good pass from Eze. But at the same time, Jez, if that ends 1-0, nobody could argue with that.
No.
Can't argue.
Not at all. Not at all. I was expecting it. I called it a 2-2 the other night, and I obviously got it wrong. But we got fucking lucky today, Lee. Yep. We didn't deserve that win. And I don't give a shit what people think if they think I'm talking bollocks, because I know the facts. I've never seen such a defensive, useless manager at Arsenal in my life. Ever. This guy is rubbish. Absolute. Why would you do that when the Man City team, you know, is not firing on all cylinders? You knew there was a possibility there today to take the points. If he'd set that team up right, and I called this the other Friday night, right? I said to TJ and Dow, he will go defensive. He will not set that team to go out all attack. And I said, the one thing we need to do against Man City is go out all attack to start.
Yep.
Put them on the back fucking foot, and we did not do it. And we paid the price. So we're now 5 points behind, right? Going into October. And it was Matty, I think you as well, said this could be all over by fucking Halloween. We got Newcastle.
Talk about Halloween. Big up, Kyle.
We got Newcastle away next weekend. That is not an easy day out, right?
Well, when was the last time we won there?
2 years ago. 2 years ago.
I don't even know when we last won there.
3 years ago, I think, in the league.
And that's my point, Jezza. Listen, shout your channel out, mate. I'm going to go live now. Yeah, I'm watching Barcelona. It's half time. They're 2-0 up. Hansi Flick ball is balling, by the way, guys. Jez's Arsenal link in the title. But Jez, what you got coming up? Obviously, the podcast tomorrow. But what else you got coming up this week? Obviously, I'm on with you later in the week. But what else you got? Shout out, mate.
I might be going live in about half an hour. Just do a rant channel. I'm not far now from 10k. I think I'm less than 250.
Come on,
away, and so I might be getting Darren's. He said, "Could we do a channel tonight?" I said, "We'll do a quick one," and then I'm on with you tomorrow, which will be a lit show. And Tuesday night is the old school channel, if you can make it, 6 o'clock. And then of course we got Port Vale in the League Cup on Wednesday night. So, yeah, it's all interesting shit, man.
Tuesday, what time? 6 o'clock?
Yeah, thereabouts, yeah.
So that's 7 p.m. mine. Okay, yeah, I could potentially do that. Yeah, Tuesday I can do that maybe. Yeah, there's 7 p.m. games, so 6 p.m. UK time. Bilbao, Girona, Espanyol, Valencia. I could swerve them. Levante, Real Madrid at 9:30, and Sevilla, Villarreal at 9:30. So 8:30 UK. Yeah, I could do that.
few hour shows, mate. I don't do long shows.
Yeah, I could do that. Yeah, fuck Bilbao. Fuck Girona. Fuck Espanyol and Valencia. I'll be there, Jezza. Old school show Tuesday, yeah?
Yeah, Tuesday, man. Tuesday.
I'll be there. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel. Jez is Arsenal, and Jez is fucking Arsenal, yeah? Yeah, anyone who chats shit to Jezzy, yeah? Go suck your mum. Yeah, and get him up to 10K tonight, yeah? Link in the title. We're out.
Not far now. Not far now.
Nah, come on, Jez. I told you, man. Yeah, by Christmas, you'll piss 10K. We're out. Yeah, get this manager out and get the fucking most of this fan base out. And Martinelli, yeah? The way you were celebrating that goal on 180 grand a week, mate. Yeah? Sums up the mentality. Celebrating a draw. Crazy.
Big up to Mr. Gunner Senior. Big up to him, man.
Bless up to him. We're out, people. Laters.